the best immune-boosting smoothies we want to sip all day long. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. Whether it's flu season, allergy season, or you're just in the mood for a refreshing, flavorful drink, an immune-boosting smoothie is always a good idea. By snacking on something as easy and convenient as a smoothie, you can jam-pack your body with antioxidants, vitamins, and more superfoods that kickstart your immune system into gear. Smoothies are rightfully all the rage these days, as they are easy to make, totally filling, and can give your body a plethora of health benefits. There's seriously a smoothie to aid any type of health woe. Need an extra dose of veggies in your diet? Try a green smoothie. Lacking on protein? Try a peanut butter smoothie, or add a scoop of your favorite plant-based protein powder. Getting sick? Add an extra helping of vitamin C or an antioxidant-rich fruit to your blender. Want more ideas? Here are the list of 8 immune-boosting smoothies we want to sip all day long. Number 1. Mega Vitamin C Smoothie. It's no secret that vitamin C is a natural preventative when it comes to getting sick. This vitamin C booster smoothie contains carrots and oranges, which are both chock full of antioxidants and, you guessed it, vitamin C. Number 2. Mango Turmeric Smoothie. This mango turmeric vitamin C smoothie is basically summertime in a cup, in both taste and nutrients. The citrusy and tropical flavor is a perfect mixture of sweet and tangy. On top of that, the smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, fiber, and other antioxidants to help give your immune system a very large boost. Number 3. Workout Recovery Green Smoothie. Nothing says workout recovery like this energy-packed snack. These ingredients replenish your electrolytes and refuel your body after a tough workout. It's filled with frozen pineapple, coconut water, fresh spinach, ginger, chia seeds, and banana. Number 4. Tropical Antioxidant Smoothie. Feel Great and 8 calls this a magic immune-boosting smoothie for a reason. Each ingredient included in this blended snack has an immune-boosting quality. Greek yogurt for vitamin D, spinach for fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, kiwi for vitamin C, D, B6, and B12. Flaxseed for omega-3, S, and berries for more vitamin D. Number 5. Cold Buster Smoothie. This Cold Buster smoothie combines orange juice, strawberries, peaches, pineapples, and peach Greek yogurt to really nip your cold in the bud. Each of these fruits is loaded with natural vitamin C and antioxidants to fight off illnesses, plus, it tastes great. Number 6. Paleo Blueberry Smoothie. Blueberries are known to be a nutrient-rich superfood. They have some of the highest amounts of antioxidants found in any food and are high in potassium and vitamin C. This immune-boosting Paleo Blueberry Smoothie combines blueberries with walnuts, almond milk, and chia seeds, making it a perfect way to give your body a nutritional boost. Number 7. Carrot Ginger Smoothie. This sweet tart smoothie is packed with nutrient-rich, immune-boosting ingredients. It combines ginger, banana, pineapple, turmeric, lemon, and carrot for a zingy, summery snack. The nutrition benefits are endless, from anti-inflammatory factors to vitamin C to a natural antibiotic. Number 8. Triple Berry Smoothie. Kiwi has over 100% of the recommended daily value of vitamin C, making it the perfect base for this immunity-boosting smoothie. Add some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and orange juice, and you have yourself a triple berry kiwi smoothie. Watch our other healthy tips videos below and find out the garlic juice amazing benefits of garlic to build powerful immunity. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Healthy Lifestyle works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.